Okay, this is a very quick tutorial just running you through how to submit your Flash work properly. Okay, so there's been some confusion about images versus your working files. So a reminder that on your blog, when you're working on your Wix website, okay, you need to put an image on your blog where you have written your description of the assignment. Okay, so I've given you this, and you're going to upload whatever activity you're working on. You put an image of it. You do not need to put an animated animation here. You can if you are able to. And some files you'll be able to do that, but for most of the image is just fine. Okay, I'm looking at the written description and I'll be downloading your files. So to create an image, you can either take a screenshot of your work or from Flash, you can go File, Export, and you're going to export an image. Okay, by default, it's going to have SWF as your default format. You're going to change that to PNG because that's a supported website or web image type for your Wix website. Give it a name, hit save. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. I've already done mine, so there's my image. Okay, that's the only time you need to put an image anywhere. The other thing you need to do is submit your two working files. So a reminder, your working files. One is called a .fla. Okay, at the end here, .fla. That's your working file. That's a layered file with all of your detail in it. Then when you're done with this, when you export by going Command Enter, it gives you this, which is your SWF file. That's your animation. Okay, I need both of these. So you're going to take both of these files. You're going to right click on a Mac, it's compress 2 items, and on a PC, I believe it's zip 2 items. Okay, or compress to zip or something like that. I'm going to compress them. It's going to give me a new archive. I'm going to rename that archive, whatever the activity is. So this is Picasso assignment. I'm going to give it a date, February 22nd, whatever the date happens to be. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to submit this to my portfolio. So BrightSpace, I'm going to go to my portfolio and it's going to open up down another window and I'm going to add to my portfolio. Usually you can't submit these types of files. Okay, so that's why you need to zip them into one archive. Okay, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to drag my zip file onto here. It's going to upload the file. And now you've submitted it. Okay, so now I've got the files. If I need to view your work and make sure that things work properly, I can do that here. The other submission you need to do is under the Assignments tab here. Okay, you're going to go and you're going to submit this work under your assignment. I need the link submitted to the assignment, the link to your website. Now remember, for Wix, I do not want the site the link that starts like this, editor.wix. That's not useful to me because that will try and open up my editor. You need to submit your work by going publish, and then once it's published, view site. So you can either, if you've already published, you can do this by clicking here, or as you hit publish, it republishes your site, and then you can view site and copy from here. Okay, so I want you to go down to the actual page where your work is. So you go to animation and then click on whatever activity it is. Okay, I want this link right here. So I'm going to copy this and go to your assignments and submit it to the proper assignment, whatever it happens to be. Okay, and that's it for now.